So one side is almost ready. I will turn around. The most difficult part of this omelette is turning around. Again I have made mistake and it is not turned around properly. This is the most difficult part in this omelette. I tried many times, but every time I feel problem. So just you have to take care while turning it around. And for the taste, you will never see this kind of omelette in taste in your life. So you can see our omelette is ready here for you to eat. I am sure you have not eaten this omelette in your life. Just try it once.